Person wey talk say whichever way by all means necessary, you must have electricity. Don't go buy solar with 10 billion. The State House has allocated the sum of 10 billion naira in the 2025 approved budget for the installation of solar mini grid at the presidential villa. Before I say anything, let's quickly watch this video.
Whichever way, by all means necessary, you must have electricity, and you will not pay for estimated bill anymore.
APC will never cease to amaze me. You see this Tinubu regime, they don't go cease, they don't get shame. Like they have no shame, bro. Whichever way, by all means necessary, you must have electricity and you will not pay. You don't go buy solar now to power presidential villa. No shame. No shame. You know the shameless thing that this government do, especially the presidency, is to leave Nigeria. I always sit down to understand why the president must do this. You go leave Nigeria, go outside country, go treat yourself. It's an embarrassment to Nigeria. Meanwhile, Nigerian doctors are leaving Nigeria every day to go and become best doctors in England, to go and become best doctors in America. If American doctors decide to leave outside country today, say they won't go, the medical institution for the US and the UK will collapse. Anyways, let's go back to light. So what encouragement are you giving to the people if you as a president don't use 10 billion naira, bro, take buy solar? Where are you people buying the solar from? Who is supplying you people this solar? Do you understand? I want to challenge you people now. Don't give me 10 billion. 10 billion is too much. I will bring solar for you. And we'll do it for... Give us 5 billion. Give me 5 billion. Hold me like this. We'll go sign agreement. Let me do solar. I don't talk below. Anyways, you heard what he said. That if he does not give us electricity in 3 years, I mean his first year, that we should not vote him for 2027. So this one it will automatically scatter his bid. So just in case I start to the campaign against President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, it's not coming from a place of campaign or partisan or political decision. No. It is coming from a point of what he said. It is a promise. He said if he does not give us power in the next years when he's in power, that we should not vote him again in 2027. So we'll go follow what he talk. May God help us.